Be honest with me for a second. Are you actually proud of who you are right now? Look at your life. Look at your daily screen time. Look at your unfinished goals. Look at the person staring back at you in the mirror. You wake up tired. You grab your phone before you even get out of bed. You scroll for 30 minutes, numbing your mind before the day has even started. You go to sleep full of regret, promising yourself that tomorrow will be different. But tomorrow comes, and you do the exact same thing. You are stuck in a loop. You open your phone, you scroll, you get a quick hit of happiness, and then you feel empty again. You probably think you are lazy, you think you lack discipline, or maybe you think you are just broken. I am here to tell you that you are wrong. You are not lazy, you are overdosed. Your brain is drowning in a chemical called dopamine. And until you fix this chemical imbalance, no amount of motivation or planning will save you. Let me explain exactly how you destroyed your focus using simple science. Think of dopamine as a currency. It is the molecule of desire. It is the fuel that pushes humans to hunt, build, and survive. In the past, we had to work extremely hard to get a dopamine release. But today, you get it for free. Every notification on your screen, every like on Instagram, every sugary snack you eat, every 15-second video you watch on TikTok. These things give you a massive spike. It feels good in the moment, but there is a hidden cost that nobody talks about. The human brain tries to maintain balance. This is called homeostasis. When you flood your brain with cheap dopamine all day, your brain panics. To protect itself, it burns off your dopamine receptors. It lowers your sensitivity. This is called tolerance. It is the exact same biological process that happens to a drug addict because you are used to high levels of artificial fun. Normal life starts to feel painfully boring. Reading a book? Boring. Building a business? Too hard. Sitting in silence? Terrifying. You have become a slave to your own biology. You physically cannot enjoy the simple things anymore because your baseline is broken. But today, we break the chains. I am going to give you a protocol. It is called the 24-hour factory reset. This is not a fun challenge. This is a medical procedure for your mind. If you can survive the next 24 hours, your focus will return. Here are the 3 phases of the reset. Phase 1, the preparation. You cannot just start this randomly. You need to prepare. The night before the reset, tell your close friends or family that you will be offline. Tell them it is a digital detox. This is important because if you don't tell them, your brain will use worrying about them as an excuse to check your phone. Clean your room. Phase 2, the digital severance. From the moment you wake up, cut the supply. I don't mean silent mode. I mean removing it from your life. Turn off your phone, put it in your car, or give it to a friend, or lock it in a drawer with a key. Hide your laptop, unplug your TV. No music, no podcasts, no news. You need to create an environment where you literally cannot cheat. Phase 3, the biological reset. We are not just resetting your eyes. We are resetting your gut and your body for one day. Avoid all cheap pleasure. No sugar, no fast food, no alcohol, no video games. Eat simple, boring food. Rice, vegetables, eggs, water. Why? Because we want to make your brain starve. When you starve the brain of cheap fun, even a glass of water starts to taste amazing. Phase 4, the withdrawal. I have to warn you, this is where 90% of people fail. Around 4 or 5 hours in, you will feel anxiety. You will feel a physical itch. You will feel lonely. Your brain will create excuses. It will say, just check one email. Or, what if there is an emergency? Listen to me closely. Do not give in. That anxiety you feel, That is not bad. That is the addiction leaving your body. That is your brain healing itself. Let it burn. It with the boredom. Stare at a wall. Let your mind wander. This boredom is the fertilizer for your creativity. Blaise Pascal once said, "All of humanity's problems stem from man's inability to sit quietly in a room alone." So, what can you do during these 24 hours? You can do only low dopamine tasks. Write in a physical journal with a pen. Go for a long walk in nature without headphones. Clean your room or organize your desk. Meditate, or simply sit and think. When you force your brain to slow down, your focus comes back naturally. The result: when you wake up the next morning, you will feel different. The mental fog will be gone. You will feel a sense of calm control. Suddenly, doing the hard work won't feel impossible anymore. You will have an unfair advantage over 99% of people who are still scrolling their lives away. The question is, do you have the guts to try it? Or will you keep scrolling and wasting your potential? Prove to yourself that you are in control. Start the reset tomorrow and subscribe to Brain Reboot to upgrade your life. I will see you on the other side.